Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are a fan of the Golden Girls and word searches and coloring books, this is literally the best of all those worlds. This Golden Girls activity book is so much fun. It has word searches, quotes, and coloring pages, and the really fun part is these quips where you can fill in the blank and test your Golden Girls knowledge by filling in the blank of some of the most famous scenes from Golden Girls. I love word searches, I love coloring books, and I love the Golden Girls, so I knew I had to have this coloring book, and it has been so much fun looking through it. I cannot wait to do all of these word searches, test my knowledge, and just color in and have a great time being with my friends. I love this book, and if you are a big fan of Golden Girls, or maybe you want to send this to someone to thank them for being a friend, you should definitely get this book, and that's my point of view.